Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bread rolls from scratch. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients: all-purpose flour, active dry yeast, warm water, a little sugar, and salt. It's important to proof your yeast first in warm water with a pinch of sugar to ensure it's active and ready to work its magic. Accurate measurements are key for consistent results, so let's get those scales ready for a perfect batch. Once your yeast is bubbly, combine it with the rest of your wet ingredients. Then, gradually add this mixture to your dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Now comes the fun part: kneading. You'll want to knead the dough vigorously for about 8 to 10 minutes. This process develops the gluten, making the dough smooth, elastic, and ready to create those wonderfully chewy bread rolls we all love. Don't skip this step. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours. It should double in size, indicating a successful first proof. Next, gently punch down the dough to release the air, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Divide the dough into 12 equal portions, shaping each one into a smooth, round roll. Consistency and size ensures even baking. Now, arrange your shaped rolls on a baking sheet, leaving a little space between each. Cover them loosely and let them undergo a second rise for about 30 to 45 minutes until they look visibly puffy. While they are rising, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, bake your rolls for 12 to 15 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. Enjoy your freshly baked bread rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.